Hi guys, so today we're going to open this little brain squishy. It popped, so I just wanted to make a quick little video of it. This is her. Hold this. So, oh yeah, that's my test potato. Okay. Whoa, guys. Did you see that? It's so pink. Look at it. Just like jumping around. I really love this.
You like off the camera.
So now we have this cool skin. Just like. Just like us. Dang. Guys, so people in videos, they say, ooh, it's water inside the squishy. It's actually not water, it's chemicals. Where's that hole?
She's trying to find the hole so she can flip it inside out.
See what it looks like.
I'll show you the potato right now.
Do you think that's mold? No, that's not mold.
It looks gross.
Little gross. Comment down below what video I should do next. Like, because I like to draw. Maybe we could do like a sketchbook tour. Or just like tell me like to do like a mini food challenge for a day. Because we were watching that today. Or maybe, I don't know.
Can I try to find the hole?
No, I know where it is. I just can't flip it up. Guys, I'm so sorry how long this is taking me.
I'll show you.
No. I know it's this side, isn't it? Yes, it is. But the hole is so tiny.
Is it warm? It's warm. The water's warm.
Probably because I was holding it a lot. And then the water's freezed up. I'm so sorry, guys.
It's all over.
I know. This literally looks like skin.
It looks real gross.
You could be like, oh guys, look at my new slime. And I'm like, stretch it and be like, psych.
Watch this.
You.
What? I'll set it down.
Okay, I think this is the hole that it came out. Guys, watch how satisfying this is going to be.
Ew.
Whoa, what's inside of it?
Ew, that looks gross. It's juicy.
I'll make this into a cute little character.
Ew, no.
Guys, comment down below which one we should do. My vote is a sketchbook tour. So guys, flip a coin. Guess which one. The heads will be sketchbook. Comment down below how many of you have got the sketchbook one for the heads. Just put like a 1 or say got sketchbook, and whoever got tails, there will be votes for the mini food challenge. So that'll be good. Because Yeah, whatever is your favorite, and whichever one we should do. So. I don't know what she was doing. She's like, I'm gonna show my face on there, and I was like, ooh, cute.
Kiwi.
Guys, so I'm watching, what's her name? It's Super Ray Dizzle, because I like watching art stuff. That's like my favorite hobby. Sorry, my hair is looking really crusty right now.
Look at the back.
No. I just did like a little cute braid because my hair
Yeah.
is short.
This thing.
Guys, I have the best idea. Ew, that was gross. I said that. So, see this? I'm gonna put this over the camera.
Oh no.
Let's see if you can see.